Ready for the call?
As always, 7 p.m. India time.
And always the same chair.
This is the cadet's chair, Bo sir. Please never remove it. I am going to put this label on this chair.
Hello, beta. How are you? Did you eat? How is the sea today?
Yes, Mama, I ate. All fine here, Mama. The sea is beautiful.
6 months away from home is too long, beta. When you come back, find some work ashore. I don't want you to go again. You have done enough. Let someone else go.
If all of us stayed offshore, who would sail the ships, Mama? Someone else's mother is waiting too, Mama. And the world still needs food, fuel, and medicines. Someone has to carry them, right?
How many more days before you come home?
No, Mama. You don't ask a sailor how many days are left.
Then what should I ask?
Ask how many Sunday biryanis are left.
Okay. How many Sunday biryanis are left?
Only 4. 4 more biryanis, then I come home.
Bosun sir, you're there too. Please, keep an eye on my boy.
Don't worry, Mom. At sea, he is our boy.
Take care, beta. I will call tomorrow. Same time.
Same chair, same time. Bye, Mama.
Cadet. Guys, in 3 days, we will transit the Strait of Hormuz. The regional security situation has deteriorated and merchant vessels have been attacked. During the transit, there will be no unnecessary work on deck. Keep your life jackets and emergency equipment ready. Follow all announcements and muster only when ordered. We are a merchant ship, but we must remain prepared.
Bosir, should I tell my mother? What would you do if you were in my place?
I would not tell her.
Why?
She cannot stop the ship. She cannot stop the war. She will only sit at home and be afraid.
Okay, then I will not tell her. All surviving crew, proceed to the emergency muster station. Repeat. All surviving crew, proceed to the emergency muster station.
This is the cadet's chair, sir. Please never remove it. I am going to put this label on this chair.
Mama, what did I do wrong? I was only doing my duty. I did not choose this war. I only wanted to return home.